What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and as you know, your girl is newly married to Sean. And look, y'all, we wanted to share just a little bit about our weekend day in our lives. So it's not a conventional work day, but just showing some of the things we get done. Make sure that you check out the links below for our items mentioned today, and also like this video and comment. Let us know what you think. As I said, this is a weekend day in our married life. So it's not a normal work day. However, I feel like we get so much done on the weekends when we're in town. So on this particular day, we're working out with our wonderful trainer, family and friend, Asia. We get a lot of HIIT training in, some cardio, things like that. And Sean and I are very competitive in this way. So it makes it fun, especially on the weekends when we have a longer time to dedicate to it. And then we get home, spend a little time with Bella, and get ourselves together. Sean has to travel for work, and I have some things coming up as well. So we want to make sure we get that good old laundry in. And we are people who like to wash almost every day because we work out just about every day. So that is usually one of our first stops. After that, into the bathroom we go. Sean and I are practical with bathroom. We love to make sure each other has a lot of space and opportunity. So while we get ready together in the bathroom, we also like to make sure that we have our own separate shower time, so neither of us feels rushed, and get some of that first part of the day self-care in. So here you see that we are washing our faces and making sure that we also get in treatments and toning. Don't get it twisted. Sean got his own good old skincare routine. I'm impressed at how he sticks to it. He says that a lot of times he gets motivated by me, but I'm gonna tell y'all, that young man loves to be moisturized and together, and I am happy about it. So we both like to spend enough time on that. He also loves the Coils by Nature beard butter that he adds on every day because you got to keep the beard together. And I had him trying a new beard oil that I got off of Amazon. I've linked that in the Amazon shop, so check it out if you're interested. But he loves it and brushes everything down and gets ready to go. So something I absolutely adore about my husband is he likes to be just as clean as me. It makes life amazing. So we like to wipe up and clean up before we take our times to have our self-care shower time. So we both try to do that. And now we're getting ready because we're going to hang out with some friends and have a little brunch. And right now I'm just using my African sponge to cleanse myself and also using my Nivea soap in order to wash. And we are going to head out. So we love this spot called Black Walnut Cafe. Have y'all heard of it? Do you know about it? Love it. It's so good. And Sean decided to try something new this time. He's going to have the Eggs Benedict, and I am going to have the salmon omelet with lox and capers. So what did we think?
I didn't like it too much.
You didn't? But why does your plate say otherwise? Mine does too, though.
Yeah.
Sean also went to go get just a little bit of dessert for us to try. And I just love the gelato at this place. So a little peanut butter gelato ain't gonna kill me. So the work week is starting next week, and I like to make sure that we're fully stocked up with groceries and things, and also making sure that when we return home, we have everything we need since Sean will be going out of town for a little while. I love making sure we have all the essentials. That's just something I love. So Sean and I pride ourselves in trying new things together, even when it's small. But for us, we were super excited to receive a box of wine from Bright Cellars. Now, this week, we'll get to try a bunch of new wines, and I'm happy to say that they are sponsoring today's video. Now, the cool thing is that they match wines from all over the world curated to your specific palate. So it focuses on these hidden gems from small vineyards from all around the world with hundreds of private label wines for us to try. that we've never tasted before. The other cool thing is that it's curated to you by taking a 7-question quiz so that they know your taste preferences. So the cool thing is like your favorite chocolate or the way you drink your tea so that you have something that suits you, and never do you get the same box twice. The convenience is great because you don't have to go out and venture out to the store to find anything. It comes straight to you. And each box comes with a wine education card. Y'all know I love the educational piece. So we love learning. So we get to know about the tasting notes, the suggested pairings with food, the best temperatures to serve the wines at. And those wine wisdom cards are great too because we know how to keep our wines tasting fresher even longer. And they're sustainable. The package is completely sustainable, plastic free, and leaves a small carbon footprint. So I'm a red wine drinker and Sean likes his white wine, but neither of us had really gotten into Pinot Grigio yet. And we did see that Sprig and Rose does pair well with chicken and vegetables, which we happen to be cooking tonight. So we're excited to give that one a try. And it's funny because both of us chose that one. And we did follow instructions and chill it.
Ooh, that's good. Kind of like a citrusy undertone.
I think it said it has some strawberries and some apricots.
Apricots or apricots?
Apricots. No, it's lemon, pomelo, pink grapefruit. That's good.
It's really good.
It's like it says the long, lazy summer days. That's the essence. Summer vibe. Yeah. That's good.
It's good. Now we gotta try it and eat our meal. Like, we can't just have wine for dinner.
They were spot on with the wine choices, like the Nihilist Wine Company Cabernet Sauvignon or the Cactus Park Red Blend. Such full-bodied reds that I was so happy with. So y'all know our sponsors really help to make it possible for me to continue to create content that you love. So make sure you support them. And Bright Cellars is giving my followers 50% off their first 6-bottle box. That's 6 bottles for just $53, which is a crazy value. So support my channel by following the link to take the quiz and get started today. So Sean is going to be making the red potatoes, green onion, and regular onion, y'all. Woo! It smells so good when he makes this. It's so delicious. And my mother just gifted us a really nice cast iron skillet. So like I said, we love to have new experiences. So Sean has been using that skillet to get it all seasoned up real nice. And then making these potatoes in there. Whew, it's so good, y'all. And he always says that this recipe is a family secret, so I didn't get the whole thing on camera, but I did get him dancing. Y'all know he from the 313 Detroit, so he gotta be in here moving and stepping and doing all of that. I love to see it. I love to see it. And y'all, these potatoes and onions, it smells so good, and they brown just perfectly. And then he's going to make sure he makes a side of spinach. We love our greenery and we love spinach around here. Y'all know it because for years y'all have seen me use spinach in everything from smoothies to sides. And I'm making chicken tenderloins, which are 99% fat-free but full of protein. So I'm seasoning those up really nicely, a little bit of olive oil there, making sure that those cook for a bit, making sure they're done to the center, and making sure that I also plate the food. And of course, we have to say our grace, right? We got to make sure we get it right with the Lord. Okay?
Thank you for the hands that prepared it. Bless us in Jesus' name, we pray, and take out any impurities. Amen.
Potatoes good.
Potato.
In this home, we like to make sure that we clean and put food away right after we eat. That way we maximize on our time. We don't have to come back to it later. It's already done. And we certainly don't have to revisit it in the morning. So cleanliness is next to godliness.
So it's the end of the day. Your boy is a little tired, but gotta finish packing. Gotta travel up north for work. So gotta get my things together. So I figured I'd record this a little bit.
We try to make sure that all of his stuff is easy to pack and ready to go by making sure everything is clean and done and dry cleaned and whatever else needs to be done. We have packing cubes as well as sneaker packers as well as shoe packers, and this makes it easy for him to put his stuff together. I usually like to make sure I work on the back end so he doesn't have to worry about having the clothes ready and they're already ready. And before the night is done, one of the other things I like to do is make sure we get extra nutrients that we need between multivitamins as well as vitamin C, probiotics, things like that. So we're staying as healthy as possible. And like I said, we don't like to leave things undone. So we're just going to make sure that the last of these towels and other items are put away. And Sean is helping me with that. Bella is not. She just follows us around all night as if she's helping with everything. From there, we're also able to just get ourselves together. I love the fact that both of us do care about taking care of our bodies, taking care of our health. So at night, we both make sure that we engage in brushing our teeth, washing our faces, making sure everything is squared away there. And like I said, Sean has his own nighttime routine. Let us know if y'all are interested in knowing about his morning and nighttime routine, because he's getting into this because he is having fun. Before we go to bed, we like to make sure that we say our prayers and ask for help and healing for ourselves and our family, and just make sure that we're all set up for bed, because we have like 11 pillows and we like to make sure they're set up well. And then after that, it's lights out and time to get to bed. So if y'all have enjoyed this, make sure that you click like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Peace. Check the links in the description for my free new Dr. Nina's Mentorship Facebook group, which is a group of like-minded individuals looking to progress, grow, and support one another along the way. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.